Take a moment and look around you. Every app you use, every service you depend on, every breakthrough we talk about today, AI, cloud, digital payments, healthcare tech, e-commerce, software powers all of it. And AI, it is accelerating the software industry faster than ever. Over the next decade, global studies estimate that close to 9 crore new engineering jobs will be created. Technology isn't slowing down, but the way we teach engineering hasn't kept up. For decades, engineering has been one of India's most popular career choices, with nearly 15 lakh students graduating every year. Yet, despite this large talent pool, only around 10% are able to secure jobs, largely due to growing skill gap. Among those who do get a job, only about 2% go on to earn salaries above 8 lakhs per annum. And over 80% of these well-paying roles belong to computer science engineering. At the same time, access to top quality computer science education remains extremely limited, with only a few hundred seats available across IITs nationwide. As a result, high quality software engineers remain in massive demand, but skilled engineers are very less. And the reason is simple. In present structure of colleges, they have outdated curriculum, theory-heavy teaching, no real projects, little to no personalized guidance, and almost zero exposure to how tech companies actually work. Students are taught subjects but not taught how to build. And unless students personally go out of the system and figure things out on their own, they struggle. This is not a student problem. This is a system problem. Hi everyone, I am Manish Garg. I am an IIT Dhanbad graduate and the co-founder of BossCoder. I have worked across global tech teams and spent years understanding what makes an engineer truly industry ready. Over the last 5 years, we have worked closely with the tech industry. We have trained over 10,000 engineers who are now placed at big tech companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Flipkart, Hotstar, Zomato, Uber, and many more. And one thing has become very clear to us. Skills change careers, not degrees alone. So we asked ourselves a simple but powerful question. What if engineering education itself was redesigned from day one to match how great engineers are actually built? What if students didn't wait till final year to do the real work? What if industry exposure, projects, mentorship, and fundamentals were not add-ons but the core of a BTech degree? That's how BossCoder School of Technology was born. BossCoder School of Technology, or BST, is a 4-year UGC recognized BTech in Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence program. BST is a full-fledged engineering college built by engineers for the engineers of tomorrow. We have built BossCoder in the heart of Bangalore's tech ecosystem because where you learn matters. Here students grow alongside top startups, product companies, mentors, and real engineers. They don't just study technology, they live inside the ecosystem where technology is actually built. The idea was simple. A campus that feels like modern tech environment, not a traditional college classroom. So students start thinking, collaborating, and solving problems like real engineers from day one. At BST, we focus deeply on holistic development. Yes, strong technical skills matter, but so do communication, confidence, problem solving, and leadership. Our goal is to help students grow into complete professionals, not just graduates with a degree. And learning at BossCoder follows our 3P framework. First is practical. Students start building real products from their very first year, applying every concept through hands-on project and industry-grade tools. This continuous practical exposure ensures that graduates leave with skill sets similar to that of a software engineer with around 2 years of real-world experience. Next is personal. Every student's journey is different and deserves personal guidance. And for that, we provide one-on-one mentorship with experienced industry professionals, small cohorts, and continuous feedback, ensuring no one gets lost in the crowd. And last is purpose-driven. Everything we teach is aligned with real engineering roles companies actually hire for. All this is supported by our industry connections, referrals, and placement pathways, So students don't just learn the right skills, they get the real opportunities at the finish line and get placed in top tech companies of their choice. Ultimately, our goal is to develop skilled, confident engineers who are ready for real careers in tech. Here is how the curriculum for Boscoder School of Technology is structured. Year 1 is all about building strong foundations. Students learn how to think and solve problems like engineers through extensive problem solving and competitive programming. They build real world applications such as e-commerce platforms like Amazon or Flipkart and food delivery apps like Swiggy and Zomato, learning how websites and apps actually work end to end. Student also gets hands-on exposure to data science where they learn how to analyze large data sets, classify spam versus non-spam emails, and work on real case studies that shows how data is used to make decisions. Alongside technical learning, students develop essential communication, logical thinking, and collaboration skills, forming a strong base for everything they built in the years ahead. Year 2 focuses on systems and real engineering. Students start working on actual engineering systems and cloud technologies, building large-scale platforms and data-driven projects similar to what is used in real companies. They learn how databases store massive amounts of data, how operating system and networks keep systems running smoothly, how backend system powers large application, how machine learning helps products make smart decisions, all by applying these concepts in real projects, not just theory. By the end of the year, students understand how real products work at scale, just like they do in the tech industry. Year 3 is about specialization and advanced technologies. This is the year when students learn tech like senior software engineers, gaining deep expertise in high impact areas like artificial intelligence, machine learning, cloud computing, cyber security, and blockchain. They apply this learning by building advanced real world projects such as fraud detection systems and even ChatGPT style models similar to what big tech companies work on today. By the end of year 3, students are not just learning technology, they become specialists equipped to work on complex industry grade systems. Year 4 is full industry immersion. Students spend the year on internships, building projects in top startups or in the industry, gaining real industry experience before they even graduate. So instead of waiting 4 years to become employable, Boscoder students build real skills from day one, and all of this content is waste if it is not delivered through innovations and how teaching is done. And hence, we have teachers who are industry veterans themselves, people who have worked on building Microsoft PowerPoint, Swiggy, Uber, Amazon, Flipkart, and Google system. These are the ones who are going to teach you from their deep experience. This is how engineers are built in the real world. So what truly makes Boscoder different from most engineering colleges is this. Our students don't wait 4 years to become employable. From the very beginning, learning is hands-on, backed by real mentorship, real industry exposure, and a curriculum that evolves with technology. Students earn a UGC recognized BTech degree. And why a BTech degree? Because it offers the widest opportunities in tech, from placements and higher studies to global careers, which is why BST is built around it. And besides the degree, students graduate with strong portfolio, meaningful industry experience, and clarity about their career path. Admissions are merit based through BSAT because we believe potential matters more than privilege. And the BSAT, Boscoder Scholastic Admission Test, is great because it's online and proctored, focused on aptitude and logical thinking, conducted in multiple rounds, and like I mentioned, completely merit based. I have trained thousands of engineers. I have seen lives change. I have seen potential turn into excellence with the right guidance. But the talent alone isn't enough. It needs the right education, the right environment, and the right mentorship. And that's why I am telling you, if you want to become an industry ready engineer from college only, this is your moment. I invite you to explore Boscoder School of Technology. Visit our campus in Bangalore. Talk to our mentors. take the BSAT. If this feels like the place where you want to grow, apply through BSAT. I look forward to meeting you not just as a student but as a future engineer.